Okay, so there it is, brothers and sisters. Whenever you come pick up your car, always walk around it to see if there's any scratches, any dents or scratches, because the dealer sometimes when you come to pick up your car, the dealer or the service center or your local garage, there may be sometimes a scratch, dings, dents that weren't there before, you know. I think sempre dá uma olhada, sabe? Pra ver se não tem nada. Just look around the car just to make sure that do a little inspection before you leave. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I know, but it's not gonna get dirty anytime soon. Oh boy, I have to fix this. The seat is really too close. It's only like negative 0.5. Put my hat here. See, that's all I could see when I was trying to start the car. It was cheaper than he quoted me, huh? He quoted 17. No, $200 less because. Now listen. I'm gonna put, when you place the key inside the ignition, you place the key inside the ignition here, ignition barrel. You have to hear a zzz click. Okay? If I can catch that. And that's the steering lock unlocking. Hear that droop? Look, I take it off again. Hear that? So that means it was repaired, brothers. You see? None of these lights would come on, none of the dummy lights would come on. Okay? And that's it. That's all that I'm gonna be filming for now anyways. Let's go home. Go. Bye bye, see ya.